everybody, this is your girl Jonez, and you've tuned back into the grind. I am on my way back to LA because I was selected for a pilot. So I am exhausted. I don't know how I've been doing it. I've stopped so many more this time than I normally do. I've had to stop probably about maybe 5 times just so I can jump and shake it off because I'm so exhausted. You know, I have to take care of home always first, and I went back home, and then of course I had to come back for this opportunity. All I can say is wish me luck. Always keep God with you. As I keep him with me, I keep him first. And when you're trying to accomplish something, never be afraid to go the extra mile. No matter what the extra mile entails, as long as you're not compromising your morals, integrity, or your values while you're going the extra mile and putting in that extra energy, everything will be all good as long as you trust in God. So I'm definitely asking for all of prayers and support. I've asked for traveling mercy. I ask that you pray the same thing for me because I'm just like really, really tired. And for some reason, the coffee is not really working. So I will see you guys as I tune back into the grind. Love you.